Good morning, class. Now, we are with the letter S. So we have cat, that means one. Cats means more than one, means two or a million. Same with dogs. So, cats, dogs. Now here's something that you must remember. When S is added to the end of a word, like here, it can mean more than one. It can sound like S or Z. All depends what word. So, circle, square, triangle. Jets, zips, nets, rocks, makes, rakes, cans, dolls, burgers, bugs, bends, poles. Now we have some sight words. So, and the sight word today is two. So, two, more than one. Her as has, two, bikes, dick, and dad, will, ride, dick, rides, well. Okay, capital letter at the beginning of every sentence. Also capital letter because we have a name, and the name is Dick. Dick is short for Richard. Now, Dad has two bikes. Dick and Dad will ride. Dick rides well. When somebody says that you do something well, it means that you do something good. Okay, thank you very much. I would like you to copy all of these into your workbook, but I want you to read them in your head and then read them out loud. So, jets, zips, nets, rocks, makes, rakes, cans, dolls, bugs, bends, holes, poles. Jets. Jets are things that you have on engines. They're like aeroplanes and they have jet engines. Zips. Zips can mean you pull things up to close, or it can mean that you go quick. Nets. Nets are things that you catch butterflies or fish with. Rocks. Rocks are lots of things like that. Rocks, they're on the floor, you pick them up and you can throw them. Makes, factories make these. Rakes, rake is something for the garden. It's like the comb for the grass, it keeps it clean. Cans, cans are like that, you can get can with Coca-Cola in. Right, you drink from them. Dolls. Dolls are like toys for girls where they can dress the doll up. Bugs. Bugs are things that can irritate you because they normally fly and they like to fly into your face, but they're too quick for you because every time you go to grab them, you push them away with the wind of your hand. Bends. Here's straight, here's bend. Holes. Holes are like that in your land. That's a hole, a hole. Pole. Pole is where you can put wire to the next pole. Okay, and that's that. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, and I'll wait to see your homework. Thank you.